Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to BONK Update. Now we have been pumping. This was an idea previously. We talked about coming down here and the 1 hour time frame being really oversold, and it would have been a good idea. I think you guys might remember the video talking about how BONK came down to like 1382, and it was actually a very good entry. One big mistake I did is I actually exit out of BONK very early. I took this trade on the private, and I exit very early. So BONK has this habit of moving up, coming down, moving up, coming down, like support resistance. This is how BONK behaves. Now I do think we had an amazing ascending triangle in here, and I'm noticing it right now, by the way. And the ascending triangle, I think we might actually just see the technical target for this one being top to bottom, and the target is actually all the way up to 1637, which has not been met just yet, right? So once you go to 1637, you have to be very careful. And my take is, if you want to go and correct to the downside one more time, is to actually do something where you move up again to 1670, maybe break above here and then go up, or get rejected from there and actually go down to the lowest part of the channel. Right now you are very close to come up to that trend line one more time. Now the question is, can you really touch the trend line and go down? If you do so, you can actually try a short position and you can actually get lucky. Otherwise, if you get stopped out, you can try a long position and try to flip to the other side as well. Now there is a particular place for Bitcoin that I think is important, and I want to show you this place for Bitcoin very quickly, and that is 106,634, the current price that Bitcoin is in right now. We've seen a couple of drops before. For example, previously you dropped in here at 106,900, you dropped right over there, you dropped right over here as well, and then you dropped right over here as well, you dropped again right in here, you got rejected a little bit in there. So it has been a resistance, but likewise it has also been a support. So for example, that's exactly like if I dropped that trend line in the middle, right? Just look at that. It's the middle of this particular channel right now, and you have been able to drop here. You have been able to take the support as well right at that particular price right in there. You can see a couple of times you've been holding that. So this is a very important place for Bitcoin right now. And if Bitcoin does drop again from that middle place, then BONK is gonna drop. Otherwise, if Bitcoin decides to go back up again to 109,523, BONK is gonna continue where it's actually gonna continue all the way up to that particular higher resistance. Now by the time you come up to the upper resistance, Bitcoin is also going to move up to that upper resistance as well. So they're actually matching one another, and I hope this makes a lot of sense. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.